Information about Averrhoa carambola. Averrhoa carambola, commonly known as carambola or star fruit, is a tropical fruit tree native to Southeast Asia and now cultivated in many parts of the world, including India, Malaysia, Indonesia, the Philippines, and Brazil. The fruit of Averrhoa carambola is oval-shaped with a distinctive ridged, star-like cross-section, which gives it its common name. It is typically 5 to 15 centimeters long and has a yellow-green or yellow-orange skin that is thin, waxy, and edible. The flesh is juicy, crisp, and slightly tangy, with a flavor that is often described as a mix of sweet and sour. In traditional medicine, the fruit, leaves, and roots of Averrhoa carambola have been used to treat a variety of ailments, including coughs, fever, skin infections, and headaches. However, it is important to note that the fruit contains oxalic acid, which can be toxic in high doses, especially to people with kidney problems. Averrhoa carambola is a relatively small tree, growing up to 10 meters tall, and prefers tropical and subtropical climates with abundant rainfall. It is a popular fruit for eating fresh, as well as for use in juices, jams, and other desserts.